In this video, I'll show you how to restart your iPhone without touching the screen at all. This is perfect if your screen is frozen or not responding. This method is completely safe and will not delete any data on your iPhone. First, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Now, press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button until the screen turns black. Once you see the Apple logo, release the side button. Your iPhone is now restarting. If it doesn't work the first time, don't worry. Try again, and make sure the volume up and volume down presses are very quick. The order matters. Volume up, volume down, then hold the side button. Wait for the Apple logo. And that's how you restart an iPhone without touching the screen. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and fixes.